Hello. In today's video, we will be talking about the different types of wire splices. Sometimes you need to join two wires together by soldering, and we will talk about the best ways to go about this. So here we have, for demonstration purposes, a couple of pieces of pre-cut wire. And we will be showing you a few methods, and then our favorite method for splicing two wires together. So the first way we will go ahead and demonstrate is what's called lap soldering. And here we will tin up both leads. And then with the two wires together, they will then be soldered. And then insulation put over the joint. This is one way, and this has a good amount of axial strength. But it is not the most preferred method of joining two pieces of wire. But it is a good, quick way to do it. The second method, which we see a lot in the field, and this should only be done in a pinch, or if you have the wire where it will not vibrate or be pulled on at all, for example, maybe free floating somewhere, we have our two pieces of wire and they will be joined together at kind of a V. And we see this a lot in the field. It's definitely not a preferred method. We are just demonstrating these methods as an alternate, compared to how we are going to do it on this video. So here we have two ends twisted together, solder added. And then when this would be done, the insulation would be put over the top here, and the heat shrink and press down. This we don't like because it has not much strength. If the wires are pulled, it will eventually break and separate. So we don't like this, but we do see guys doing it a lot out in the field because it's quick and easy. They do not have to carefully join the wires or use a device like this. Last, we will demonstrate the NASA way to join two wires. And for this you will need to have your wire length much longer than the other two methods, for reasons you will see. So, the first step is we are going to have the two wires meet in the middle, and we are going to make one go up and one go down, like this. Next, we are going to make both the wires bend at 45-degree angles. Then we are going to pull one wire up at a 45 and the other wire down at a 45-degree angle opposite to each other. So we should have something that looks like this. Next, once you tighten that up a bit, we are going to do several wraps. For this, we like to use some heavy-duty tweezers. And we will give this about 4 to 5 turns on one side, okay, and then the same on the other side. So now we can add solder. And then trim. And here you have a very high strength, not easily broken piece of soldered wire. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.